Hello, I'm In-Yong Lee and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at WOOJINPLAIMM. I'm here to introduce our new technical center to you. With this new Woojin Technical Center, we want to present our current and future innovations in the field of injection molding machines, covering leading technologies of major components, machine designs, and even services of the digital transformation industry. The Technical Center is designed in such a way that our partners can present their own products and our customers can test their own molds and applications at our machines. It also offers a sophisticated environment for the co-development of new technologies and new solutions together. The Technical Center is divided into 4 different sections. In the main exhibition hall, you can see all major machine types of Woojin, such as hydraulic, electrical, horizontal and vertical machines with various options. Many of our customers bring their own molds for the testing of the performance of our machines in this hall. Next to the main exhibition hall, there is so-called forming lab, where special machines for low-pressure physical forming process are displayed and developed. There is a high demand in the market on new applications for which our machines offer the most economic and environment-friendly solutions. The next generation machines with more complex and advanced features are shown in a separate R&D lab next to the forming lab. Last not least, the entrance building provides several small and large size rooms and facilities for business meetings, seminars and administrations, which can be used by our partners as well. Already more than 20 major partners have applied for a permanent presence in our technical center for the testing and development of peripheral devices and resins. As you can imagine, the Technical Center offers a great environment for the collaboration and information exchanges between our partners and customers at all levels. And I strongly believe that all parties will benefit out of the results. WOOJINPLAIMM is more than a manufacturer of injection molding machines and offers the highest level of partnership and integrity to our partners, from casting process to complete machine lifecycle management. And I'm sure that you will remember Woojin when it comes to plastic injection molding machines.